Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see one practical about VLAN using a single switch. So what is a VLAN? So VLAN stands for Virtual LAN Network and it lets you to separate the devices on a same switch into the different groups. And so they act like they are on the different networks even if they are using the same hardware. So for that, I have taken a simple network diagram and I have taken one single switch. And to our single switch, I have connected some of the end devices. So I will just mention one class A IP address example. So for this PC, suppose I will mention 1.1.1.1. For this PC, I will mention 1.1.1.2. For third PC, I will mention 1.1.1.3. For laptop, I will mention 1.1.4. And for server, I will mention 1.1.1.5. Okay. So now I will add all the IPs one by one inside the devices. So just click on the PC, go to the desktop option, IP configuration. In the static option, just paste your IP and subnet mask will automatically come. And this is a 255.0.0.0 of class A. Similarly, I will give the IP to the another PC, go to the desktop, IP configuration. In the static option, just paste your IP, subnet mask will automatically come as a class A. Similarly, for a third PC, go to the desktop, IP configuration. 1.3 is the IP address and 255.0.0.0 is the subnet mask. For laptop also, I will give the IP as a 1.1.1.4, and for server also I will mention the IP as 1.1.1.5. The subnet mask is class A, and default gateway here we are not assigning to any of the devices because we are not connecting any router here, and all the devices are connected to a same switch and all the devices are into the same network. So for a configuration part, we are performing some steps. So I have created the topology as of now. So create a topology first of all, then create a VLAN. Okay, I will create two VLANs here. Then name the VLAN, and after that add a ports to the VLAN, and finally just verify our VLAN configuration. Okay, so right now you can see I have given the IP addresses of a class A, and all the devices are into the same network, so they should able to ping to each other. So suppose if I try to ping the PC 1.1.1.2, so go to the command prompt and type ping 1.1.1.2. It should able to ping because it is of the same network, it is connected to the same switch. If you try to ping the other devices, for example, suppose laptop, which is IP address as 1.1.1.4, it should be able to ping laptop also. If you try to ping server, so which is 1.1.5, which it is also able to ping because all the devices are into the same network. And if you want to check VLANs, so click on the CLI option, and we have to go into the privilege mode first of all to check VLANs. So just check show VLAN brief. Right now we have not created any VLANs. So you can see by default VLAN 1 is available, and all these devices means all our interfaces are into VLAN 1 by default. So now we will create two VLANs here, and then we will add the ports inside the VLANs. So for that, just before that, I will make some diagram just to look the topology better. I will mention this PC into the different color, and this PC is into some different color. So suppose this is a VLAN 10 and this is network is of VLAN 20, and this VLAN is I am making for a student, and this VLAN is for a teacher. So now go to the switch. You can see there by default all the devices are in a same VLAN. So now I will go to the configuration mode. So type conf t. I will create two VLANs. Okay, one by one. So first of all, I will create the first VLAN, which is VLAN 10. Then I will give the name to the VLAN name as a student. Similarly, I will create a second VLAN, which is a VLAN 20. And I will name this VLAN as a teacher. So I have created the two VLANs. Now I will add the interfaces inside the each VLAN. So in this VLAN 10, there are two interfaces FS01 and FS02. Okay, you can see. And in this VLAN, there are three interfaces, means three devices, FS03, FS04, and the server is which has an interface FS05. Okay, so just click on the switch and mention the range interface range for this interface. This VLAN interface range is FA01 to 2, and I have to add these two devices into the VLAN 10. So write one command switch port access VLAN 10. So this both the devices are added into the VLAN 10. Similarly, I will add these three devices interfaces into the second VLAN, which is VLAN 20. So just mention the range interface range. This range is from 0 3 to 5. Okay, you can see here. This is FA03, FA04, and this is FA05. So I will mention range as an interface range FA03 to 5, and I will add this all these three devices into the VLAN 20. So all our devices are added into each VLANs. If you want to check, if initially you can see all the devices into the default VLAN 1. Now if we check again, so go back again to the privilege mode and check by command show VLAN brief. So you can see now two VLANs are created, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 of a student and teacher respectively. And in the student VLAN, we have added these two interfaces FS01 and FS02. And for teacher, the three interfaces are gets added. Okay, so in this way we can confirm that our devices are gets added into the different VLANs. We have created the two VLANs. Now let's verify if they are able to ping to each other. Initially, we have seen that student means this any of the devices can communicate to each other. But let's see now after creating the VLANs whether they are able to ping or not. So click on any of the device. So first of all, student PC. Click on command prompt and just ping the. So for example, I am trying to ping 1.1.1.2. So we can see we are able to ping because they are into the same VLAN. Now let's try to ping the other VLANs devices. Suppose I will try to ping this device 1.1.1.3. And let's see if we are able to ping it or not. You can see request timeout is coming. Means we are not able to ping this device even if they are on the same network. We will take one more IP for a ping purpose. So I will ping the server 1.1.1.5, and let's wait for some time. So here also you can see request timeout is coming, means we are not able to ping to this server as well. The reason behind that even if they are connected to the same switch, even if they have the same class IP network, but they are logically divided into the different groups. So they act like they are on the different networks. So this confirms our practical is successful about VLAN using a single switch. And I hope you understand and like this video. Thanks for watching.